Good afternoon, friends. Last lecture we have to discuss about the simple metals, and the secondly we have to discuss about the semiconductors of the silicon and the germanium. Okay. In this lecture we have to discuss about the photoconductivity. Okay. Therefore the photoconductivity, the light is used to promote the electron. Okay. In the photoconductivity, therefore the light it is useful for promote the electron. You have to promote the electron, therefore light is used. Okay. Then the secondly, the photon energy of light that shining on semiconductor, the photon energy of light that shining on semiconductor, therefore the semiconductor we have to shining them, therefore the photo energy of the electrons, photo energy of the light, it is useful for shining the semiconductor. Okay. Then it is a greater than energy of band gap between then the valence band and the electron promoted to conduction band, and the conductivity is increases. Okay. Therefore the photon energy of light, therefore the photon energy of light, it is a shining the semiconductor. Photon energy of light, it is shining the semiconductor, and therefore it is a greater than the energy of band gap. Okay. Therefore this photon energy, it is a light shining on the semiconductor, therefore this photon energy, it is a greater than the energy of band gap. Then the valence electron, then the valence band electron, this valence band electron, it is a promoted to conduction band, and the conductivity increases. Okay. Therefore the energy of band gap, then this valence band electron, it is a promoted to conduction band, this valence band electron, it is promoted to conduction band, and the conductivity is also increases. Therefore this valence band electron, it is conduction band, it is promoted, then the conductivity it is increases in the photoconductivity. Okay. Look at this diagram of the promotion of the electron from valence band to the conduction band. Okay. In this diagram therefore shows the four cubic structures. Okay. Therefore it is a small dark line, it shows in dark line, and it shows in white line in colors. Okay. Therefore first shows in dark colors. Okay. Then secondly shows in some color and some dark color line. Okay. Then third shows this all are color, and the fifth shows the, therefore 20% are the color, 20% are the black line colors, and the 80% are the white light shining. Okay. This is all about the promotion of electron from the valence band to the conduction band by the light. Okay. Then next is the semiconductor with the band gap. The semiconductor with the band gap, the energy corresponding to photon visible light are the photoconductor. Okay. We have to discuss in the last lecture, that is about the semiconductor of the silicon and germanium. Okay. Therefore this semiconductor, it say that the band gap energy, it is a corresponding to photon of the visible lights. Okay. Therefore semiconductor with means the semiconductor with the band gap energy, and this band gap energy, it is a corresponding to photon of visible light. This band gap energy, it is a corresponding to photon of visible light. This photon of visible light are the photoconductor. This photon of visible light are the photoconductor. Okay. This is the photoconductivity. Then secondly, the photoconductors are non-conducting in dark, but the conducting in electricity in light. Okay. Therefore this is the photoconductors non-conducting in dark. Okay. Therefore photoconductors, this right side it shows the in the dark, and left side it shows the with the light. Okay. Therefore the photoconductance non-conducting in dark, photoconductors non-conducting in dark side to point. Okay. Then it is but the conducting electricity in light, that is a with light shining. Okay. In the xerographic process, the positively charged, the plate cover with the film of semiconductor. Okay. Therefore the xerographic process, we have to use for the xerographic process for the two components are combining or the same process, such as it is a positively charged, xerographic process is a positively charged, and this positively charged plate covered with the film of semiconductor, means semiconductors films, it is a covered by the positively charged plate, it is covered by positively charged plate, and this plate is a formation in xerographic process, this plate it is formation in xerographic process. Okay, then the part of film, it is receiving the light become conducting the electron, the part of films. Okay, we have to also know the different types of the films, different types of the films, different types of the films. Okay, 90s 80s films, they have the roles. Okay, they have the roles of the these films. Okay, these films is receiving the light, this film is receiving the light. Okay, मराठीतून तुम्हाला एक सांगतो की तुम्ही जुन्या काळामध्ये जे जुन्या काळामध्ये जे पहिल्यांदा जे पिक्चर टॉकीजमध्ये जे पिक्चर लावताना जे रोल राहायचे, तर ते रोल कसे असतात की इट इज अ फिल्म रिसिव्हिंग. ओके, फिल्म रिसिव्हिंग म्हणजे काय की जेव्हा तुम्ही त्या फिल्मवर तो लाईट जेव्हा तुम्ही शो करणार, लाईट इज फ्लोईंग ऑन दिस फिल्म्स. ओके, then it is conducting the electron. Okay, then it is conducting the electron. Okay, therefore you have to light it is a throw on this film negative roles, that called as the negative roles. Okay, you have to light on these negative roles, therefore it become the conducting electron on these films, it become conducting electron on these films, and that promoted the conduction bands, means therefore the film receiving the light. Okay, the light is thrown on the film, and this film is receiving this light, and it became the conducting electrons, means this light is receiving in film, and therefore it is a formation and become the conducting electrons, it become conducting electron, and therefore it is promoted the conduction band, and therefore it is promoted the conduction band. Okay, therefore the positive charge on the film and the positive hole in the valence band, it is removed by an electron, therefore the positive charge on the films, therefore you have to take in the negative role. Okay, negative role we have found out in the photographic. Okay, the photographer firstly the negative role is prepared, then it is a formation of soft copy of this photo. Okay, therefore this negative role, and that roles is a film, and that the positive charge on this film, the positive hole in valence bond, it is removed by electron. Okay, therefore the positive hole on this film, therefore in the valence bond, and that valence bond it is removed by an electron. Okay, then the negative charged plastic capsule of the ink then spread onto the semiconductor films. Okay, the negative charge plastic capsule of the ink, you have to know about the negative charge of the plastic capsule. Plastic capsule ink, it is useful in the pens, it is useful in the pens, and the some plastic capsule it is useful in the film industry, useful in film industry, some accidental or the fight scene, therefore the actor it is give the plastic capsule, that is a capsule of ink, it gives a capsule of ink, therefore the villain is attack on the hero, therefore the hero's blood is formation, and this blood is formation by this capsule of ink, Okay, then it is spread onto the semiconductor film, or then it is spread onto the semiconductor of film. Okay, then the piece of positive charge white paper, it is remove the toner from this semiconductor. Okay, you have to know about the piece of positive charge white paper, that piece of positive charge white paper it remove the toner from semiconductor films, means semiconductor films toner it is removed by piece of positive charge of white paper, and it acquire the image of black paper original, and this is acquire the image of black paper original. Okay, this is all about the photo conductivity. Okay, then next is p-n junction field effect transistor. Okay, therefore the introduction of the p-n junction field effect transistor. Therefore the p-n junction are prepared by doping different. Okay, the p-n junction are the doping prepared by doping differentiated. Okay, therefore the dope means it is a enhances, dope means it is a enhances the regions. Okay, therefore this p-n junction are prepared by doping different regions, enhancing in different region. It is a single crystal with the different atom. Okay, therefore we have to discuss in p-n junction that p-n junction it is prepared by doping different region, means this p-n junction are prepared by doping different region, some different region, therefore the doping this them, and then the single crystal is formation with the different atoms, single crystal is formation with the different atoms, and it is formation of the p-n junction, and it is formation of p-n junction. Okay, then nextly the region of the crystal, region of crystal where the n and p type meet a discontinuity in electron concentration. Okay, therefore there is some region of the crystals that is where n and p type meets, n crystal and the p type crystal that meet a discontinuity in electronic concentration, means the discontinuity in electron concentration in n and p type, in n and p type. Okay, the n and p types are electrically neutral, n and p types are electrically neutral. The n type has greater concentration of electron, the n and p has electrically neutral, okay, electrically neutral junction, and the n type has the greater concentration of electron, the n type has the greater concentration of electron than the p type, than the p type, means the n types concentration is greater of the electrons, and then the p type concentration is lesser than the n type. Okay, then it produces the positive electrical charge on the n type and the negative electrical charge on p type. Therefore the p-n junction it is produces the positive electrical charge, p-n junction produces the positive electrical charge on the n type and the negative electrical charge on the p type. Okay, therefore the p-n junction it produces the electrical charge on the n type and p type, therefore on the n type therefore electrical charge is positive, on the p type therefore electrical charge is negative. Okay, this is the fourth point of this p-n junction and field effect transistor. Okay, then the two forces are balanced and the electron concentration varies smoothly across the junction. Okay, therefore two forces are balanced, n type force and p type force. Okay, these two forces are balanced and the electron concentration varies, the electron concentration varies that smoothly across the junction, means that this p type forces and n type forces it are the balance, and the electron concentration, its electron concentration it is simply across the junction, its electron concentration is simply across the junction. Okay, then the region located immediately to either side of junction known as duplication region. Okay, the region therefore this p-n junction region it is located immediately to either side of junction, is immediately to either side of junction, therefore it known as depletion region, known as depletion region. Okay, this is the diagram of the bending of energy level across the p-n junction. Okay, look at this left side that shows the n type and the right side it shows the p type. Okay, therefore it shows the conduction band and the valence band, and the electrical field direction is below the sides. Okay, therefore this is the bonding of energy level of the across the p-n junction. Then the field effect transistor. Okay, this is the diagram of field effect transistor, that the schematic field effect transistor is showing the drain, then D and gate electrode. Okay, this is the field effect transistor. Then the simple in n channel, the simple in n channel means it is consisting of joining the two or more combination. Okay, the simple n channel that is a field effect transistor, it is a consist of the block is heavy doped. Okay, the simple n channel that is a field effect transistor, it consists of the block is heavy doped p type. Okay, your block is heavy doped p type. Okay, the p type semiconductor with the channel of n type semiconductor, means Therefore the simple n channel, that the field effect transistor, it consisting of block. Okay, field effect n channel field effect transistor, it consisting of the block. It is a heavy dope p type. Okay, it is heavy dope p type. You have to also known about the n type channel of the field effect transistor is a consisting of the block is heavy, therefore dope is p type. Therefore the p channel FET consisting of the block is heavy, therefore dope of n type. It is also known about this is the simplification. Okay, then the simple n channel, that is a field effect transistor, it consisting of the block, means this field effect is consisting of the block. It is a heavy doped p type, means this heavy doped p type, and this semiconductor with the channel of n type semiconductor, and this semiconductor, okay, this p type semiconductor with the channels, means p type semiconductor with the channel of the n type semiconductor. Okay, this is the first point in the field effect transistor. Then the second point is the electron attached to the p type block and to be n type channel. Okay, therefore the different types of the electrode we have to use them. Then the electrode attached to p type block, electrodes are attached to p type blocks, and the n type channel, okay, therefore the electron attached to the n type channel, therefore it is known as the sources, it is known as sources. The electron attached to the p type block known as a gate electrode. Okay, therefore the electron are attached to p type block and to the n type channel. Okay, then the electron attached to the n type channel, and it is formation of the sources. The electron attached to p type block known as the gate electrode. Okay, this is the introduction. And the low voltage is applied across the source and they drain the electron. Okay, in the field effect transistor, therefore it have the low voltage is applied across the source and it is a drain the electron, Okay, this is the fourth point of this PN junction. Okay, field effect transistor. Then the electron flow into the p type semiconductor, it cannot cross the PN junction because valence band in n type is full. Therefore its electrons, okay, electron flow into the p type semiconductor, electrons are flow into the p type semiconductor, but it p type semiconductor, it cannot cross the PN junction, because the valence bond in n type is full, Okay, the electron fill the valence band in the p type. Okay, therefore in the field effect transistor, therefore the electrons is a fill the valence bond in p type. Okay, because the charge produce electrode in the n type channel, because the charge produce electron in n type channel, it is increase the depletion, because the charge is produced electron in the n type channel, means the charge of the component and the electrons, this all into the n type channel. Okay, then the increase the depletion zone. Okay, because the p type effect is a greater for n type channel. Okay, therefore p type effect is a greater than n type channel, therefore this depletion zone is formation. Why it is formation? Because it is increase the depletion zone, because the p type effect is a greater for n type nuclei, means this p type effect is a greater than n type nuclei. Okay, then the charge on the silicon dioxide and they control the size of depletion zone in the p type semiconductor. Okay, the charge on the silicon dioxide, SiO2, it control the size of depletion zone, in the p type semiconductor. Okay, this is all about the field effect transistors and the PN junction. Okay, PN junction and field effect transistor, and then photoelectronic effect conductivity. Okay, photoconductivity and PN junction field effect transistor, it is discussed in this lecture. Okay, next time we discuss the another point of this chapter. Okay, thank you.